going to show you how to update the Kiosk software. I have the Kiosk running on my screen now, and I'm going to go ahead and quit it. There's a quick key for quitting it. Control Shift and the letter L will quit the software. And then you want to go into My Lab under the Store Management Software and Downloads section and click Download next to the Kiosk version and save it to your desktop. Once the file is saved, you can extract the exe, and then you'll go ahead and double click this new file, this exe, to run it. And the software installer will take care of closing all of the other programs, all the supporting applications that are running. You can also do this yourself if you want to save a step here by clicking on the little arrow down by the clock and closing anything called Photo Finale. So I'm just going to right click and quit. See, here's the notice that you'll get if they're not closed. It'll do it for you. It just takes a few minutes for it to close everything. So you can either do it by hand or you can let the installer take care of it. While we're waiting for this to close and start up here, I'll remind you that on our blog, photofinale.com/blog, there's a releases section, and it will tell you what's new and changed and fixed in each version that we release. There's also a link to it from this software and download section. As well, on our wiki, we have a section all about the Photo Finale Kiosk, how to install, videos on some of the features, and a very helpful FAQ section that we've collected from everyone's questions and reposted them here, so you might want to read that. So now I'm done here. Click Finish, and then that's it. I can then delete the zip and the exe. If you have other machines to install it on, you could save that out and go around to each machine. Otherwise, you can download it onto each machine. Coming in a very next version, one of the next versions, we'll have an automatic updater included in the software, so you won't have to go around to each kiosk and keep doing the update. We will take care of it for you, much like your browser does for Chrome. Just take a restart probably to get it going. So look for that soon. Thank you for watching.